services right from design consultancy to full-scale turnkey execution of projects. A major part of our business philosophy includes customer focus and attention, wherein the requirements and expectations of the customers are utmost important, but at the same time, she ensures that her designs and philosophies are never compromised. Please, with a round of applause, let us welcome Shefali ji, क्योंकि जब तक वो आंखों में काजल कानों में बाली इंटीरियर डिजाइनर बोले तो शेफाली।
Good morning, Victory.
Good morning.
After a long and eager wait, today I got an opportunity to say a few words about my company and myself. Some wise men has correctly said that success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage that continues that counts. And we can't but agree with it. Designers Lounge was started by me as a time pass in year 2010 to provide me a channel to my love and passion for interior design. However, within a few years, it has established itself among the one of the best interior design firms in the twin city of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Interior design elements include space, line, forms, light, color, texture, and pattern. And keeping them balanced is the key, creating an aesthetically pleasing interior. I, an interior designer, strive to maintain these fundamental principles of the design. We at the Designers Lounge make interior space functional, safe, and beautiful. Our firm's design philosophy is that each project should be a unique reflection of the client and tell their story through meaningful and tastefully executed design details. Our prime aim is to provide end-to-end solutions for new homes and renovation projects tailor-made to suit the requirement of our customer. Home interiors designed by our design experts suit lifestyle and budget for the clients. 100% assured quality from trusted contractors partner with the transparent timelines. We take every job personally no matter what the size and the budget. We at Designers Lounge also understand the importance of the listening rather than just hearing and strive to become the medium for our client's own vision. Whether you already have a finished vision in a mind or just a hazy idea, we are dedicated to delivering innovative solutions to the fully meet needs, dreams, and budget. Our services include interior design, interior architecture, and procurement, offering the cohesive vision from the empty shell to finishing touches. We provide design services from the spatial planning to specifications of the all-based finishes, fitting drawings, items, and turnkey solutions on the end project. From the concept through the installation and beyond, we individually manage each project, building clients' relationships and stand for the test of the time. Our designs are very well appreciated by the customers as well as renowned experts in the field of the interior design that you can check in our LinkedIn profile how very senior designs have endorsed us. Pristine Villa, High Vision, Ashoka Mansions, Kondapur, Just Sandy Solutions places are the places where our team, our passionate workers have completed the project recently. I am sure that Designers Lounge will continue to grow by leaps and bounds. I am hopeful of continued patronage from the esteemed members of the BNI, especially Victory Chapter, and I assure you all that I will not fail in your expectations. Now, may I request Mr. Saurabh to share his experience while teaming with us during execution and various projects.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, it's time to wake up. Yes, of course, the way she reads out is a normal textbook type, but her work speaks. Her designs are unique and she takes up the work dedicatedly. I've been working with Shefali for past 3 months now, and I've seen that when it comes to it, she goes up with a huge zeal. It's just a call away. जैसे पता होता है कि यहाँ पे साइट चालू होनी है. The first call comes as Saurabh, please send off this material. And whenever I ask for the material, what kind of material is to be sent? It is always a step up from what the normally interior designers or the other local carpenters buy from us. So one thing is for sure, I don't know much about the design liking, it all depends on the taste of the customer. But yes, the quality what she uses is at par or rather superior to what the other people in the fraternity use. Thank you Shefali ji for dealing with it. It's a pleasure working with you.
Thank you, Bharat. Now my gifts I have already mentioned, and my Ask Ramki Group, Prestige Group, Samudra Infracon, Kalpataru Group, Onyx Group, Provident Housing, Ashoka Developers. Thank you very much.
भैया वीडियो प्ले करो जी. Explain about the videos. What all images are there?
As you have seen, I have used a lot of glass, printed glass. All the designs are taken from the Shutterstock and all designs, and then printed on the glass. So it's coming very full work, as you see. And the colors are all the pastels I am using as contemporary colors. And wallpapers and all I have included. This is the home theater in one of my sites. The light profile lights, I use lot of profile lights, what everybody is using now. All these designs you can see. There are sites in Kondapur, ARK Terminus, Kondapur, and Ashoka I mentioned, 3 villas, and this Pristine Villa, 3 villas in Pristine Villa, in Tellapur. You can go and check all these designs. Details are not details, they make the designs. This is the philosophy of the designer's launch.
This is the
Question?
Super work.
Is this all works done by you?
Yeah.
Is this all works done by your team?
Done by designers launch.
Good.
These are the sites, major sites. This is 2D. After 2D we make 3D, and after when
अभी residential में कोई नहीं है ना?
we go on the exhibition part.
नहीं है ना विशाल.
This is the puja room, as you are seeing.
She's into residential. Then bhai.
Thank you.
Because you have also worked with Shefali ji. Can we have a small testimonial from your side?
एक्चुअली लास्ट मंथ शेफाली जी आए थे अपने शॉप पे और उनको एक्चुअली क्या है किचन बास्केट की रिक्वायरमेंट थी. तो कोई भी जैसे इंटीरियर आता है दे विल नीड कि भाई मेरे को SS304 का बास्केट चाहिए, बट शेफाली जी नहीं, मुझे SRM का ही बास्केट चाहिए और जो SS316 से भी कॉस्ट ऊपर आती है. और उनके बाद में उनके वहाँ पे जो भी हिंजिस वगैरह जाता है तो पूरा जो हाई रेंज का रहता है और जो हाई क्वालिटी वही शी विल प्रेफर ओनली हाई क्वालिटी. थैंक यू.
Good one.
Rahul ji, you have also given some work for to Shefali ji.
Yeah, that's one thing I will appreciate for Shefali ji, because if you ask an interior designer for a small work, they will say no, we don't have workers or we don't do small work. Just a small work in my office, making a counter and an almirah, and the carpenter came and he did the work and it was photo finish work. Very happy and satisfied with your work and your commitment to the small work.
Good work. Good work.
Thank you, Shefali ji. That was very informative about you.
Amazing. Good one.
Thank you very much.
Today we don't have any other 8-minute presenter, so we have 2 4-minute slots given.